Alright family, what going? So basically now this is like an update 'cause I made a previous video and where we at. I'm gonna show you the progress we have made. So, like, share, comment, subscribe. Pump the stock. And I get this, so I go up on the other side. Alright, so basically I remember this is like the washroom from last time. The washroom. See a bugger things upon the mess people make out of people mouse. Anyways. So the dining at I don't remember right here, so yeah, so this was a bathroom. Is it though? I don't see no piping in this, so I'm guessing it's not. I don't know. Cause we came here the last time. This is a bathroom. One of the bathroom name. The thing with house, they look really ugly when they're in the building process. You have another part. This is another bathroom. This is the master bedroom. I don't know. To me, it seems small, but then you can see this is like the closet area where it's going to be evident. Two big windows. I don't know. To me, like, it just seems small, but when it finish, you would know.
I think this is a master bedroom.
This is another bathroom. This is 2 bathroom, a bedroom. So 2 bathroom, 2 bedroom. Isn't it 3 bedroom, Grandma? 2 bedroom. 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. So basically, I knew we we're going probably go upstairs afterwards, but now you can see it's just a bugger. It's just the frames holding up the roof. The other day I'm gonna buy the recess lights. So the rooms are going. I thought it was 2-2, so I think 2-2 going to be in each room. It's 4. So it will look really nice afterwards. I think I might not make another video about this until it's actually done. Though. Okay, so the roof, as you can see, them basically. So we'll go up on the roof, isn't it? Go up on the roof. I'll show you. I'm not going to stand on it, Grandma. So the things we do for views. Things we do for views. Plus, we have look at agriculture. Look at planting and things. I don't know, the tenant are obligated for stay here. I feel. Hey, so that's that. Back up on roof. Go, Mr. Yeah, into my Airbnb part.
Very cool.
The front part of my Airbnb are into the back part. This is when you collect rent. Going to be. Wait, man. I feel multitasking. We're not go up there still, but hey, so you notice this is some steel in the thing. So basically going upstairs after downstairs finish, but you know, one step at a time. You know what I noticed though is that this was not here, so I noticed I actually start putting look at tile and them things there. But now finish it, assuming because we'll finish those here. So you know, there's that. I was gonna say, I don't know, we can't have probably till the year in if the contract is not renewed for tenant for getting the house and the like, you know, whole house tour and thing and you know the whole yard, but hey, it's turning out to be a pretty big house. We need like, but as I say, pocket deep, you see me? So nice, you see me? So yeah, there's really much more if we talk about it, just a go and ramble, cause no one is here to actually tell me what is what. But yeah, for the most part everything seems relatively alright. Can take a tour on those as we're doing. But so this is it right now. And yeah, see there, that's the entire building, entire house as of right now. Still a backyard and thing, so it's supposed to be nice. So when it finish now, I don't think I'm going to make another video until it finish, as in at least the inside finish, and you know, probably paint and them something there and the lights going and everything. I'm not really boring. So I say, yo, just support the movement. You see me, hashtag #WalkFootByHouse. See you in the next video. Peace. Already still something. What's up, mates? These are all starter units, like when they were just starting, you know, and you see people add on over here. So same thing with this, you notice them add the extra front. All the starter unit, one day this to that sell, but you probably can't buy it, you know, based on the area. It look bush up though, so I assume no one has been here in a while. And I really the same thing for all of the houses. Just like you buy it and you add on. So granted, these houses are paper houses. This is what I've always said. Houses are paper houses because when you check the levels, you knock on it, it doesn't feel solid. So yeah, paper houses, but it's a good community. This is what happens when you're doing mass creation or whatever. So just have a build up on whatever you want. Yeah, not really much we can say about this today. Honestly, it was just a follow up. So yeah.